podcast. Today we'll talk about how can you enable dark mode on your Slack app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this way, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on preferences, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you just click here on dark mode, just click on it. Then it's going to show for you like this here. You click here on. So then automatically here it's going to change with you to dark mode on your Slack app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.